Hi there, Alex V here. So today we're doing repair on 03 Mercedes Vito, and well, I'm just going to show you guys how bad this is and how is it going to look in the end. So I'm just gonna try to carefully put this under there, and you're gonna see what's going on under here. So this is what we're looking at. Okay, yeah, there's been previously cut out, so I've already cut out some part of it. Okay, but this is really bad. I mean, yeah. And what this is the rear quarter on, basically, as you can see here, the fender. So part of the rear fender, part of the bumper. So it's, yeah, a bad corner. The outside is not very bad. Yeah, it's got some rust in it. Bear in mind, these Vitos, they are very prone to rust, so you're gonna be having a very hard time to find one that it hasn't been rusted to dust, or to rust, should I say. So yeah, we're gonna proceed to cutting the rest of that corner on the inside, and start with the metal fabrication and welding, and then we're gonna show you the end result. Now I know my trade, so what I do as a living is not being a metal fabricator. I'm not a welder. So but just bear in mind, some simple YouTube search and videos with DIY and how to will help you to do this. Now, it's not going to be probably the result that some people think, but it will get your vehicle through an MOT, and that's what we're aiming here for. Obviously there's some structural damage, and we will reinforce that with some heavy metal, but other than that, pretty basic things. What you will need, grinder. So if I may put this here, okay, so simple grinder, Stanley. This is my my brand. Bear in mind, I'm not sponsored by Stanley or by anyone else. It's just my preference. That's what I like. And as well, you can get a welder, which it's looking like that. Let me see if I can change the camera while doing this. Okay, so no, it doesn't let me because I'm recording, but you can see it here, right? So that's my Stanley welder right there. And yeah, I have been doing the other corner, which I will show you later. And yeah, keep it short. This is what it is, and I will show you the end result. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and see you later. Thank you.